Sheesh.
I love that sound. The sound of explosion. From the words of Adam
Lakasan mo.
Savage.
Lakasan mo. Sige.
I love the smell of gunpowder in the morning.
Why does he love the smell of gunpowder in the morning?
Because he's a douche.
And I don't care about that because you are one too.
But you're the king of douche. Douche.
Weh,
Douche.
weh.
Yes.
Subscribe mo nga sa YouTube.
I know. Wait lang.
Aww.
Bakit ko dala tayo pagpunta dito, syempre?
Could Cars 3 be coming down the wall?
What?
The wall?
Infamous to evil today.
The wall?
So, kill or be killed. Ang galing nga.
To be or not to be?
To be killed or not to be killed. That is the stupidest question I've ever heard. What the heck?
One of Beethoven's writings! Ah! We're invaded by
It's Douchehoven, not Beethoven. It's Douchehoven. I'm gonna watch wrestling again. And again. And again. And again.
And then someone wrote, I love cheese.
I hate cheese. I hate cheese.
Oh, cheese!
Eh, di naman Josh, may special in WWE ngayong Valentine's Day.
Ano, nag-kiss silang lahat?
I think so. Hindi ka na pa na-download din. Na-download ko lang yung simula eh.
So anyway,
That's funny.
I don't care, let's just listen to it. And anyway, sorry that we're backwards and
Upside down at backwards you do.
we're upside down and we're
you're a douche.
upside down and we're gonna watch WWE. Okay?
And you're a douche.
Bye.
Hi. Stop saying hi. I'm saying hi.
To watch WWE, go to WWE, and I don't care about it.